If you are thinking about buying a new iPad right now, stop. Put your wallet away. You are about to make a massive mistake, and Apple is secretly hoping you make it. For the past few years, the entry-level iPad lineup has been an absolute mess. Between the confusing Apple Pencil compatibility, the awkward design choices, and price tags that just didn't make sense, buying a budget iPad felt like navigating a minefield. But everything is about to change. Leaks and insider reports regarding the upcoming Apple iPad 12th generation are pointing to something we haven't seen from Apple in years: a complete, unapologetic reset. This isn't just a minor spec bump to clear out old inventory. The iPad 12th Gen is shaping up to be the absolute ultimate value machine, and what Apple is hiding inside this device will completely destroy the Android tablet market and might even make iPad Air buyers regret their purchase. Today, we are tearing down every single leak, every hidden detail, and every major upgrade coming to the iPad 12. And trust me, when we get to the new processor and what it means for the future of your workflow, you will realize why this is the most important tablet Apple has made in a decade. Let us start with the elephant in the room: the design. Apple completely redesigned the base iPad with the 10th generation, ditching the home button, squaring off the edges, and moving the camera to the landscape edge. It looked great, but it was thick, slightly heavy, and the bezels were aggressively chunky. For the 12th generation, insiders are claiming we are finally getting the trickle-down effect from the iPad Pro and iPad Air. We are talking about significantly thinner bezels. Apple has been obsessing over border reduction across all their devices, from the iPhone to the Apple Watch, and the base iPad is next on the list. By shrinking these bezels, Apple is going to give us a slightly larger screen real estate without actually increasing the physical footprint of the tablet. Imagine holding a device that feels as light and premium as the iPad Air, but for a fraction of the cost. The chassis itself is rumored to be slightly thinner, utilizing a more refined recycled aluminum that reduces weight, making it much more comfortable for long gaming sessions, reading, or watching movies in bed. But the most exciting design rumor is the color palette. Apple knows the base iPad is their fun, approachable device. While the Pro models are stuck in boring silver and space black, the 12th Gen is expected to launch with incredibly vibrant, saturated colors. We are hearing whispers of a deep crimson red, an ocean blue, a really striking mint green, and possibly even a matte black option for the entry-level tier for the very first time. If you want a device that shows off your personality, this is going to be the one to get. Now, let us talk about the display, because there is a massive secret hidden in the supply chain reports. No, we are not getting OLED. Let us be realistic. OLED is strictly reserved for the ridiculously expensive iPad Pro. We are not even getting mini LED, but what we are getting is a fully laminated display. Finally, for years, the base iPad has suffered from a non-laminated screen, meaning there was a visible air gap between the glass you touch and the actual display underneath. It made tapping feel hollow. It made drawing with the Apple Pencil feel slightly disconnected, and it caused terrible glare. Removing this air gap is a game changer. The screen will look like it is painted right onto the glass. Colors will pop more, contrast will vastly improve, and reading text outside or in bright classrooms will finally be a comfortable experience. Add to that a bump in peak brightness, pushing up to 600 nits, and you have a media consumption powerhouse. But a beautiful screen is nothing without the right brain powering it. And this is where the iPad 12th Gen completely flips the script. Historically, Apple puts 2- or 3-year-old chips in their base iPads. It was fine, it kept costs down. But Apple has a massive problem right now, and that problem is called Apple Intelligence. Apple's brand new suite of artificial intelligence features requires a ton of processing power and, more importantly, an upgraded neural engine. Apple cannot afford to release a brand new iPad in the modern era that does not support their flagship AI features. It would be a marketing disaster. Because of this, incredibly reliable supply chain analysts are reporting that the iPad 12 will skip the older generations entirely and feature the A17 Pro chip. Or at the very least, a highly binned A16 chip paired with a massive bump to 8 GB of RAM.